This is me, super happy, traveling around Asia, working my best job as a 3D artist. Also, I managed to find time to learn, take care of my body and mind, and also relax. You think it was always like that? Well, no. Before all this happened, I've been into various situations and it was super difficult to be here where I am right now. So, long story short, as many of graduated guys, I didn't knew what to do with my life. So I became a student and it took a couple of months, maybe weeks, I don't remember right now, but after a while I quit it. I wanted to become a music producer, traditional artist. I wanted to work a normal job at car wash. I wanted to become a blogger. I wanted to be a tattoo artist, but again, I quitted all of it. You think it wasn't scary to quit? It was super scary because I quitted many things before my adult life and I was afraid to do it again. My parents were telling me that, okay, Daniel, you're doing it again, you're starting something, okay, we'll see how long it will take for you. It was always 1 or 2 months that I needed to realize that, okay, I don't want to do it, it's not my cup of tea. So I was feeling that pressure from everywhere. So back then I was working as a delivery guy and in the free time tried to do something. I was drawing and started doing tattoos. I've already planned how I will get clients. I posted my best works on the Instagram and everyone from my friends, family was seeing it, and that made me feel some pressure again because I don't have any option. I need to become a greatest tattoo artist in the world. But one evening changed everything. After work, I was working as a delivery guy, I was riding my bicycle, delivering food to hungry officemen, and after a hard day of work, I was scrolling I don't remember, it was Twitter or it was Facebook, and I saw that the NFT thing came up. Some JPEGs are sold for a big amount of money. I was really curious, not how you can sell them, but how you can do that visual thing. I was really curious how those JPEGs are made. And after a short research, I found that it is 3D computer graphics, but it was really tough for me because I am a tattoo artist. I told everyone that I'm a tattoo artist now, and how I can say that, you know what, I quitted it. Now I'm 3D artist. That was super stressful for me because, again, Daniel, you're quitting something. I've proceeded with working at delivery. I've proceeded with doing some tattoos, but also I found the time for learning Blender. Guess what first tutorial I found on the internet? You're right, it's Nomad by Blender Guru. I did it in a couple of evenings and it was crap. I didn't finish it. It was looking so amazing for me. I was really shocked how I made some form in 3D space and I realized that this is it. So I was working every day. I was delivering food for hungry people, and in the evenings, I was learning Blender. I did tutorial after tutorial. So I've started doing something in Blender. I started posting some works on ArtStation. I had previous my works from 2D, but I've started uploading 3D also. And I had literally one 3D work over a room. And I received a message from some guy that is inviting me to work with 3D. I was really amazed. I was super pumped to work somewhere, to receive some tasks, but one thing was stuck in my head. They 100% mixed me with somebody else. I joined a call with my boss and we talked a bit and I've got employed. I've started doing some super simple tasks as fixing some KO, remodeling some super easy models. I've spent my free time learning 3D. I've got that job not because I've got lucky, because I've did so many attempts, so many tries to find myself in this world. You know how they say, the more you do, the more lucky you become. Now at job I'm doing more complex things. I need to use more of my imagination. I need to create something from my head, and that's really interesting. And still I feel how many things I can learn, and even now trying to find at least 30 minutes of each day to learn something new, to practice, to create something, I don't know, just deform the cube, try to think creative, try to, I don't know, create something unique, not always unique, but still just open Blender, just open Unity and do something. Open some tutorial, look at, I don't know, at some works, get inspired by them. And that isn't always easy to find the time to learn something because you're working 8 hours a day. I'm traveling right now. I need to go from one place to other place. I need to find apartments to stay, and that's super stressful, but I feel how I'm growing in it. I'm really thankful for everything what comes into my life. You know, one thing that I understood in my 23 years of life, that only self-discipline makes whole your life. Your daily choices, your daily habits, everything you do on your daily basis defines who you'll be tomorrow. Also, if you want to see where my path will lead me to, you can subscribe to this channel. I will be really thankful for you. It will give me a boost of motivation to share what I am, what I do, and where I'm going. And I don't want to stop at 3D artist position. I'm really hungry and I want to create something really meaningful in my life. I want to do big changes in educational and gaming. I want to connect, to join those two things, to learn more easily and more fun. The speed that internet and technology has reached in past 2 decades is really incredible. Those technologies are really impressive instrument for all of us. Also, AI is a great instrument. I'm trying to do something with disco diffusion, and that's really impressive. I really love this new feature and I'm learning it, and I think that every artist should integrate this tool into his workflow because it's future, obviously. I really don't know where all the CG will take me to, but I'm really in love with all the computer graphics. I hope that this video gave you strength and motivation to continue doing what you're doing. Follow your dreams, even if you don't know where you're going yet, but trust me, just go. Don't stay in place. Answers will come by the way you step every step. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next. Bye.